Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x, and if you followed me for any length of time with Facebook or Instagram, every fall we set up our hot tent back here on the back side of our property, and we'll have meetings back here, we cook out here, we just have a good time. It's just nice if we're not in the field camping, hiking, or canoeing. It's nice to be back here and just chill on our property. So I'm going to put this together. I've had one for 7 years. This is the Ozark Trail hot tent. They're like $400 at Walmart. You have to get it online. And I've had mine for 7 years, and I just wanted to get a new one. This is an upgrade. It's got the bug net on it, and I want to put this up today. It's supposed to be pretty warm today, but we got some cold weather coming, and I need to get firewood out here and get the stove out here, and just get it ready for the cold weather. So come along with me. How this is put together, color coded. Let's see. So the gray ones go up, the red ones go across, and the yellow ones go down. And that's, let's try to get where you can see it. The same there, red and gray, and then red, gray, and yellow. So just wanted you to see, it's pretty simple. Velcro all the way around. So I'm gonna fix that real quick. This is red oak, and we've been doing woodworking with our company for about 3 years, and just look how beautiful that wood is. It just makes you want to keep every piece and do something with it. I love wood. So the pile's done, and we're going to start working inside here. That, and we're not going to install the stove. We're going to put it in, but we're not going to install it just yet. There we go. There we go. And all of the, let me get you where you can see. There we go. All the pipes are inside here. And let me get the warming plates, the other pipes. And we'll put this right here. And I'm gonna put these warming plates on right there. And it's got these little hooks for drying or for putting utensils. All right, that's it for this. Oh, and we got this is fat lighter. I'll that right there. Alright. So now I need to just stake out the bottoms with stakes, and we'll use our hammer that we made on our last video. Tent comes with some pretty heavy duty stakes. Those are bad right there. I want to show you a neat knot that I use, and no matter what you call it, it's just a cool knot. But we're going to knock this down, and you take your string, and that's where you want to measure it. Fold over just like that and put your finger inside there and grab that and pull, and when you're done with it, it goes away. Here, come on, we'll look at it together. Alright, let's do a real quick walk around. I'm pretty much finished other than putting furniture inside of it, but we'll take a look. We got the burn pit, place to cut wood, our fire wood, the tent, one last look in the tent. Pretty cool stuff. We'll put that in when it starts getting cold. And these are cool. These came with the tent as well. You just push this. And push this. It would look cooler in the dark. Here comes the lights. How cool is that? Alright. So that's it for this episode of the hot tent. We'll do some more stuff out here when it starts getting colder, which will be soon. But I appreciate y'all watching, and check out FaO&x Outdoors gear.com for your outdoor needs, and I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks, guys.